Few people know this secret. The cake is already stuffed from the oven. In a saucepan, add 395 grams of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half cup of chocolate powder, and now stir everything very well with the fire still turned off. Then add 500 ml of milk. And now with the fire on, mix until it begins to thicken. When you get to that point, turn off the heat and add 200 grams of milk cream. Book next door. In a blender, add 1 chopped carrot, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 100 ml of oil, and now just cap and let it beating. After beating, just pour this mixture into a container. Go adding 2 cups and a half of flour gradually and stir. After adding all the flour, add a small pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of yeast. Stir until the yeast is incorporated into the dough. Now just pass everything to a greased form with flour and butter. With the dough all in shape, start adding the filling the way I'm showing the video. Bake at 200 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Our cake is ready, and look how amazing it looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.